Hey guys, Basil Wolf from Grayson Hobby, and today we have another quad from the KingKong and their GT series.
Tiny GT7.
Yes, now if you saw our video on the GT8, which is a great whoop style 2S for outside, and now they shrunk it a little bit. Honey, I shrunk the quads and made a GT7.
Yeah, this is the slightly smaller version, which is more suited for indoor flying with a little bit of outside flying, but it's more of the brushless indoor whoop at this point.
But in this video, we're gonna do a speed test like we always do. We're gonna unbox this guy. We're gonna go over the specs. She'll go over the parts. Go over how long this guy flies inside and out, and maybe some crashing at the end.
All right, let's get to it. Let's open the box.
All right. I don't think you ever set it up. First off, I don't think we ever go over these boxes, but these come in some solid plastic boxes that are great for traveling, great for your kid, throw it in the back seat of the car.
I mean, yeah, if you have a kid and you forget, you know, it's a lunchbox too. I mean, this doubles as a lunchbox. It's a clear lunchbox.
So, Food Man over here thinks it's a lunchbox, but I stack mine in the car like that. I have 3 or 4 of them, and they don't break.
There's no Capri Suns in here, I'm just saying. It's got extra room. It's not like a basic box that holds nothing besides the quad itself. And it's not a cardboard box compared to some of the other manufacturers out there. So it's nice. They're giving that little bit of extra. They do something with it.
So after you fly into the lake and it's no more, and you don't have a quad anymore, you still have a box. All right, so we're out here in the nice fall day, and we got the radar gun on a tripod because everyone keeps yelling at me.
Oh, way too high.
52 it showed. 48, yeah, wow, that's pretty fast. 44, first pass in the fresh pack. 50, so top speed is gonna be, I'll say, call it
52?
52. So we're at 3.5 minutes outside, right?
I'm at 4 minutes.
4 minutes, and you're pretty aggressive when you're flying here, I would say.
Fairly, I mean, half throttle or more, but you know,
it's a little more, way more aggressive than you can be
and
inside.
The battery is, I think that is gonna be it. Hold on. 4:30 on the clock, but I did flip it over twice, so it's probably about a 4-minute
flight with moderately aggressive flying there.
Yeah, if you're full throttle the whole time, probably expect 3 minutes.
All right, for those that are new to this channel, Grayson Hobby is a shop located right outside of Atlanta, Georgia, where we sell drones and cars and airplanes. And we're located in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. And everything you see on our website ships from our location here in Atlanta. Just don't fall for the hype. We know there are lots of quads out there, and they're advanced, and they're doing videos, and they're greatest and best, and blah, 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 blah. But when we flown them, we tested them, we literally broke them on our first half of a battery pack.
Yeah, when it's like this.
All right, good durability test here. So we'll see. So you just lost power totally because you were...
It desynced because the motor's too low.
Oh, it desynced. Damage to the airplane? Or the quad?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
So, unlike the KingKong, that little bit of crash on the concrete already broke it. And that, unfortunately, is the biggest flaw with most of these whoops, is you want a ton of power, you want a ton of performance, well, you don't get durability. You got to pick 2.
Oh my gosh. I'm shocked by that. You were only 6-7 feet off the ground.
Yeah, I just flipped over.
And you didn't even go hard. It was just more of a hard... I'm speechless. What do you... That sucks.
I mean, it's kind of to expect it with most of these whoop frames. That's what I was talking about. That's why I was so surprised when the KingKong was able to... Whoa, I guess we can do a video on how to change the frame, huh?
Yeah. All right, let's go back. We're going to fly it inside, or actually Will is going to fly it inside to show you how durable it is. He's going to fly it with his QX7 right here. So... Okay, so while we're setting up the track, or Will's setting up his mess over here, we got these new KingKong little tiny whoop things. They're 500 millimeters or something like that from end to edge, 420 in the middle. Okay.
How high is this? Oh. I haven't charged it. Oh.
You didn't go through, I don't think. Redo.
I did not.
There you go. All right, we're gonna stress test it. We're gonna hit that door pretty hard.
Ready?
I'm ready. Oh!
That was a hard
that
battery is nowhere near.
Wow! All right, so there's a battery. There's a quad. So you saw that? That was almost full throttle.
Okay, so hold on. Keep it in video. I'm plugging this thing back in. Shut up, transmitter. I'm gonna plug it in this way.
Still rolling, still rolling. No way! So, I don't see...
So really the bruising is right there. Again, didn't crack a single cage or anything. I mean,
that is... now this is the same material as the GT8, correct?
Yeah.
So it's pretty much, I wouldn't say indestructible, but darn, man.
It's durable as hell. I mean, you're gonna have a hard time finding a micro that's gonna hold up like that. I mean, every other one we've hit.
More time here, just so...
Take two at breaking this thing.
Just so it's not a fluke. I'm afraid, because this is mine. I'm gonna focus on the door now. Oh, the wheel's still spinning.
Oh, that's awesome.
All right, well, it didn't break.
Try it again.
All right, try it again. Battery get ejected?
No, actually, it held a little bit better that time.
All right. All right. See that big door? You could go through that little target, but you can't hit the big door. That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Standing behind the door.
That I heard still spinning after the battery ejected.
So that bounced literally right at my feet.
Where's the battery?
Right over here somewhere.
So,
I mean, that was unbelievable.
yeah, okay, let me get this back here. Let me plug this back in here. I'm gonna put it down on the ground. Props aren't bent or anything. And arm that sucker.
Now, if you're not impressed by those crashes, nothing's gonna impress you. That's just unbelievable.
Yeah, and I actually did have to switch radios because the other one's dead. So.
That was unbelievable.
This thing is taking one heck of a beating.
And then, don't forget, we've already flown this outside several times, and we smashed that.
I've bounced it off the brick wall. And
So, we don't recommend you doing that at home. But
yeah, don't go out of your way to break these things, guys.
But we're just trying to show you how durable this material is from KingKong. Whatever kind of nuclear fusion they're doing is freaking working.
Yeah, I mean, it's done absolutely well.
He's speechless.
I'm considering the inductrixes and all that I've broken so many times from hitting stuff.
Time flying the beta.
Yeah, I just bound it. Definitely. Oh, this thing is gonna get broken so quick inside. Good night. It's done. It is done.
All right, where is it?
Okay, so don't know. Oh wait, what? The battery's not unplugged. Killed it.
So that's what the camera looks like.
It's so bad.
Wait, put your finger. Hold up a piece of paper and see how close you have to get. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh man, there you go. Clear.
That's impressive.
Yes.
That's a winner in my book. I
Yes.
mean, the simple fact that I'm able to smash into something, keep going, and it was flying extremely well, going through the back warehouse and all that. I didn't have any issues with it. It's very in control, tight turns and all that. It didn't do the little spin of death like a brush one does. It just stayed very positive, and it's pretty much out of the box. You can tune in probably a little better, yes, but
if you're smashing,
it's good out of the box.
Right.
I mean, that's hard to beat. That's just enjoyable, you know.
Unboxing time.
So what we got inside the box? First of all, on the
Just
outside,
open it. Come on.
you just locked it. Good job.
Quad. Plastic. Accessories.
You forgot the battery. Seriously? Okay, plastic has battery.
Oh, this is that 300 milliamp.
This is why we don't let you do this. So this is a little different. It's a 380 milliamp 2-cell lipo. It does have a single connector here. So the balance connector doubles as the main power lead. If you look on the quad itself, so instead of a traditional JST or XT30 or any of those kind of connectors, it's the balance lead is what it's using as the main connector. So that being said, you will need a adapter to charge your batteries. And guess what KingKong provides? The adapter.
Now, for those who want a balance charge, show them how to balance charge.
So with this parallel board, I'm using plugging in. This is a JST to XT30.
So if you have
plugging that in.
Right, so it's adapter there.
I got an adapter to an adapter. Plug it in here. Now, once you have the main battery plugged in with this lead right here, you can actually plug in multiple batteries into the balance cord. But basically, you would plug in the main battery there.
And no, I'm just keeping these separated so we don't.
And that would get the charge circuit going. That makes a complete charge circuit. Then you just plug in additional batteries into the ports.
So that's how you charge multiple batteries with one adapter.
Yeah. Now be careful though, guys, when you're using this. If you do go to use other batteries, like 3-cell batteries and stuff like that, you do need to unplug your adapter. Otherwise, you will burn out your parallel board.
So only use the adapter for this
only
battery.
for these batteries, exactly.
All right.
Yep. All right, now that we didn't make it through in a single unboxing video yet, so we have the battery, the charge lead adapter, a USB cable. This is a data cable, so you can use this to set it up on Betaflight. Spare props.
They're going to be random.
The props are 1535s. So we have left and right. So you got 2 sets there, it looks like.
But these come already assembled on.
We have a screw set. So the little miscellaneous like prop screws, body screws, stuff like that. It comes with an extra bag of those, which is nice. It comes with this nice shiny little manual, English.
High gloss.
And a set of stickers. What are you doing?
Where's the receiver on
The
this
receiver on both versions are above the battery, where the battery would go in there, under the flight controller. So the receiver's right there.
Not embedded.
So it's not an integrated receiver. So the nice thing about that is if you do want to change your receiver down the road, say you start with Spectrum and want to go Free Sky, or you start with Free Sky and you want to go Spectrum, you can actually change the receiver out.
All right, so that's the unboxing. So great little quad, but who cares about what's in the box? The quad is fully assembled with receiver plugged in.
Yeah, I mean,
props are already on. No fiddling with anything.
Yeah, I mean, it's bind it up, configure it on Betaflight, set your radio up, then go fly. So I mean, if you know what you're doing with the radio configuration and a little bit of Betaflight, you can have this thing fly in less than 15 minutes all day long.
This one is great because you can fly really, really aggressive. You could do your power loops, you could do your whatever you want to, whatever trick you can throw at them. And if you hit the ground or hit the house, guess what? It's not going to break.
Yeah, the biggest limitation is the camera angle, though. I think that's really the only thing that's going to hurt being able to fly it so aggressively.
Okay.
Doing the speed test and all that, I was kind of looking at the ground because the camera doesn't have as much
But
tilt.
realistically, is a little tiny 7-whoop made to go super fast. So I definitely give this a whole 10 stars out of 5. I mean, unbelievable.
I'm gonna give it 8.
All right. Why?
The reason, I'm gonna knock 2 off because I'm very critical about it.
Right.
1, no Betaflight OSD.
Okay.
That
Would that be
kills
too
me.
advanced for some people?
No, because if it was preset, KingKong has Betaflight OSD on the
All right.
the GT series,
All
or I'm sorry, the ET series, and there's no issues with that.
All right.
The second point, I'm just gonna go ahead and take 1 off for some reason. I'm trying to think. Hold on, give me a second on that one. Was it the motors?
Motors.
Why did I? Oh yeah. Sorry.
Durr.
Hey, I'm actually still in shock right now. But no, the second thing is the motors KVs. I wish they were a little bit higher because there's zero issue with flying this quad around half throttle and all that, flying it around. If it had just a little hotter of a motor, yeah, you could get into the throttle if you want to, but you can also kind of pull back that throttle for the size quad and fly it around, no worries. I would like to have that little bit extra power on top. Outdoor flying, some of the maneuvers coming out of it, I tend to expect more power there, and I'm kind of tapping the ground. Almost like flying a 3-cell quad again, compared to a same quad on 4-cell.
Gotcha.
Is kind of how I feel with that. So those are the 2 negatives on that. Everything else about this quad is spot on. I mean, they did a great job. I don't feel like you need more than 25 milliwatts on it. The camera angle is perfectly fine for inside. Yep. However, if you do want to mod it for more angle, yeah, that would be something there too.
And we like this stuff, so we're gonna sell it and make the best ready-to-fly packages for you guys. You can either do it yourself through the videos, or we can do it for you.
I mean, it's an excellent product. Yeah. If you're getting into it, you want a brushless tiny whoop, and especially if you're newer to it, to where you are gonna be crashing, you are gonna be smashing into stuff, I definitely think this is the one to go with over other companies because it's so much more durable than anything I found in the size.
Yep.
So,
if you're new, let's face it, you're going to need a durable stuff.
Yeah, and parts are cheap for it too. That's one thing. KingKong's parts have been always extremely cheap.
And they're very inclusive. I mean, they have everything you need. All right, guys, as you can see, we can ramble on this quad all night long. I'm still super impressed and can't get over we smashed that thing into the door.
If you're still watching this, just go order one. Just go buy it. Just do it.
So, here, leave your comments below. What do you think about the KingKong product if you have one? What mods have you done? I know there's already people doing mods out there that we're not going to support, but link them down below and go. Hey, if you wanted to ask any question about the KingKong, go to our Facebook group. We got lots of guys in there, very active guys with all the KingKongs and the Diatones. Super, super friendly group of people that are out there helping each other out. And yeah, hopefully they will help you out.
All right.
Well, all right. That's it for next time.